I've always said this that I was not even 18 when I participated in the preparation for the Femina Miss India pageant in 1999. In 2000, I just turned 18. I won this pageant, the Femina Miss India, and it changed my life. I think from being just a regular kid who was going to college, I was suddenly offered great opportunity and abundant possibility, and I can't imagine how different my life would have been had I not won that pageant. And I think what has happened very interestingly over the years is with the expanse of communication and mass media, many young individuals across the country have been offered abundant opportunity to come into the fore, live confidently, explore new dimensions to their lives, and this hunt, the Zoom Anchor Hunt, is another new opportunity for young India, young girls in India, who believe in themselves, who have poise, who have confidence, who want to be associated with cinema in India, and you're basically picking up a girl who's an average regular college going girl, or a kid who's just working perhaps in a bank, and you're planting her into a lifestyle in a place which she's probably admired from a distance, but this gives her an opportunity to get up close and personal with it. And I think not just the girl that wins this anchor hunt, but every girl who takes part in this anchor hunt will be given an opportunity to discover a confidence that she has inherently. So whether she wins or not, she's going to go away a lot more confident and a lot more clear about what she wants to do with her life. I'm just here in the capacity of a friend of Zoom, in the capacity of Omar Qureshi's friend. I'm here to support this initiative and say that and beckon young girls to participate in this anchor hunt. But beyond that, I don't have an association with this.